Hello students, I think everyone is fine and safe with your family members. In last class, what we learnt students? Yes, right, we learnt about multimedia and its file formats, file compression and how to extract a zipped file. A follow-up work is given based on the topics. I think everyone has done the homework which I assigned in previous class topics. Now let's move on to the class. In today's session, we are going to start a new lesson, that is web designing using HTML. The topics we are going to learn in today's class is steps for creating web pages, tools required in HTML, tags, attributes, structure of HTML document and HTML tags. First, we are going to learn about steps for creating web pages. How to create a web pages? Do you have any idea? Yes, there are several steps to create a web page. First, planning the web page, then gathering information, next generating web pages, and finally publishing the web pages. The initial planning and strategy phases allows the web team to uncover your needs, brand information, audience demographics, and the core purpose of the site in order to build a solid foundation upon which the site's color and fonts can be applied. These are the things to plan a web page. Next is gathering information. The purpose of information gathering is to support the planning of your organization work to become more fully inclusive. It is important to look at available facts, objective information, including demographics and best practices. These are the purpose to information gathering. Next is generating web pages. Web pages is important because it impacts how your audience perceives your brand. The impression you make on them can either get them to remain on your page. A good web design helps you to keep your leads on your page. By generating your website, you can get more opportunities. This is the importance of generating web pages. Next is publishing web pages. Additionally, the audience is limitless, since content pasted on the web can be viewed by anyone in the world with an internet connection. The advantages of publishing web pages have led to new era of personal publishing that was not possible before. To publish a web page, you need three things: web development software, internet connection, a web server. This is about creating web pages. Next, we are going to learn about tools required in HTML. What are the tools required in HTML, students? Yes, the tools needed in HTML is text editor, web browser and web server. First, we are going to learn about text editor. To write a HTML document code, we need a text editor or a word processor. Word processor means it is a software or a device that allows users to create, edit and print documents. It enables you to write text, store it electronically, display it on a screen, modify it by entering commands and characters from the keyboard, and print it. It is most common. Text editor saves the document in plain, flat, ASCII style text. Text editor saves the document in plain, flat and ASCII style text. Examples of text editor is Notepad or MS Word. Notepad, it is a text editor tool, MS Windows, and a basic text editing program which enables computer users to create documents. Notepad is used to create documents. MS Word is a graphical word processing program where user can type with. It is made by the company Microsoft. The purpose is used to save the document and to type the document. This is about Notepad or MS Word. Next, we are going to learn about web browser. HTML requires to display the document, that is web page, created using text editor. Examples are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome's, Mozilla Firefox. A web browser, commonly referred to as browser, it is a software application accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the web page on the user's device. Examples of web browser is Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. Next, we are going to learn about web server. Any document created with the help of text editors and browsers can be viewed only in the local system in which it was created. It can create one or more websites. It is one of the features of web server. It processes incoming network requests over HTTP and several other related protocols. The main use of web server is any document created with the help of text editor and browsers can be viewed only in the local system in which it was created. It can create one or more websites. Next topic we are going to learn is tags. What is a tag, students? Yes, it consists of a keyword enclosed with angular brackets. Tags are non-case sensitive that use both capital letters and small letters. Most tags come in pairs. The beginning tag is called starting tag. The ending tag is called end tag. It is same as starting tag except that it has a black slash in the beginning of the keyword. You can see the end tag that it has a slash before the tag. The starting tag has only two tags. One is in the front and another is in the back. At the end tag you can see a slash that is called end tag. The commands or instructions are given in form of tag. Tag instructs the browser how to display a HTML document. The main use of tag is it is come in pairs. Tags are non-case sensitive that use both capital and small letters. Tags are classified into two types: container tag and empty tag. First we can learn about container tag. What is a container tag, students? A tag which has both start tag and end tag is called container tag. A tag which has both start and end tag is called container tag. These tags have a section of text where the formatting constructions are applied. For example, you can see tag HTML. At the end you can see tag /HTML, that it has the starting tag and the ending tag. Tag title, at the end you can see tag /title tag. Tag body, the end tag is tag /body. It has both start tag and end tag. The end tag has black slash, but it is same as start tag except it has only a backslash. Next is about empty tag. Tags that have only start tag are called empty tag. It has only a start tag. This tag represents the formatting options such as line break, horizontal ruler, and paragraphs setting. Example: tag BR space tag HR tag P. Tag BR, it is used to add the line break. Empty tags do not have to be wrapped around text and do not require a closing. This is about empty tag. Let's move on to the next topic, that is attributes. Attributes are additional information given to a tag. They modify a function of tag. Attributes are associated with only start tag and not with end tag. Attributes are only associated with only start tag. End tag will not include in attributes. The attributes are simply written within the tags along with the value. Attributes define additional characteristics or properties of the element, such as width and height of an image. Attribute values should always be enclosed in quotation marks, that is quotation value. It is used to define the characteristics of an HTML element, and it is placed inside the element's opening tag. Attributes are made up of only two parts, that is a name and a value. Next, we are going to see a new topic, that is structure of HTML document. HTML document has two sections, head section and body section. What is head section? The head section of an HTML document contains several tags that specify important information about the web page, such as title, keywords, and description. Here you can see the H section where it is used to title, keywords and to add some description. It contains several tags that specify important informations that we can add title, keywords and description. That is head section. Next, you can see the body section. It is the main section of the web page. HTML body section supported all the contents such as text, hyperlinks, images, special characters, list, tables, frames and forms, where you can add all these things in the body section. I will repeat, students. The structure of HTML document contains two sections. One is head section and another is body section. Here the head section of an HTML document contains several tags that specify important information about the web page such as title, keywords and description. Next is body section. It is the main section of web page. HTML body section supported all the contents such as text, hyperlinks, images, special characters, list, tables, frames and forms, where you can add these things in the body section. Are you clear of structure of HTML document? It has only two sections. One is head section and body section. Like this only structure of HTML document looks. Next we are going to learn about HTML tags. The first and last tag of a HTML document is tag HTML, tag /HTML. That is the starting tag and the end tag. This tag tells the browser the beginning and ending of a HTML document. HTML tag tells the browser the beginning and ending of the HTML document. A HTML document without these tags will result a blank screen on the browser. Without these tags, it represents a blank screen on the browser. A HTML tag contains three sections: head section, body section and nesting of tags. First we are going to see about head section. The head section contains header information and document title. This section begins and ends with starting tag of head and ends with ending tag of head. The document title is enclosed within title, which is displayed on the title bar of the browser. You can see the example. In the above example, the title, my first HTML document will be displayed on the browser bar on the web page. Head section is mainly used for HTML document contains several tags that specify important information about the web page such as title, keywords and description. That is, my first HTML document is a title. Next is we are going to learn about body section. A body section that comes only after the head section. It consists of tags designing a web page which includes text, objects, images and sounds. The body section is enclosed within starting tag of body and ends with ending tag of body tags. It is a main section of web page. HTML body section supported all the contents such as text, hyperlink, images, special characters, list, tables, frames and forms. This is about body section. Next is nesting of tags. Enclosing a tag with another tag is called nesting of tags. I will repeat, students. Enclosing a tag with another tag is called nesting of tag. Nesting of tags is very common in HTML and hence care should be taken to avoid overlapping of tags. In the structure, title tag is enclosed within head tags, and in turn head tags and body tags are enclosed within HTML. That is, title tag is enclosed with the head tags. By the turn, head tag and the body tag are both enclosed with the HTML. This is about nesting of tags. Let's summarize what we learnt in today's class. First, we learnt about steps for creating web pages. What are the steps we learnt, students? Yes, planning the web page, gathering information, generating web pages, and publishing the web pages. To publish the web page, there are three important needs, that is web development software, an internet connection, and a web server. This is about creating web pages. Next, we learnt about tools required in HTML. What are the tools required in HTML? Text editor, web server, and web browser. To write a HTML document code, we need a text editor or a word processor. A word processor is a software or a device that allows users to create, edit, and print documents. Text editor saves the document in plain, flat, ASCII style text. Example of text editor is Notepad or MS Word. It is a text editor to MS Window and a basic text editing program which enables computer users to create documents. Notepad is used to create documents. MS Word is used to save and type the document. This is about text editor. Next, we learnt about web browser. HTML requires to display the document, that is web page, created using text editor. Examples are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. A web browser, commonly referred to as browser, it is a software application accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a particular website, the web browser retrieves the unnecessary content from a web server and then displays the page on the user device. Next, we learnt about web server. Any document created with the help of text editor and browser can be viewed only in the local system in which it was created. It can create one or more websites. Next, we learnt about tags. It consists of a keyword enclosed with the angular brackets. The commands or instructions are given in form of tags. Tags instructs the browser how to display an HTML document. Most tags come in pairs. The beginning tag is called starting tag. The ending tag is called end tag. End tag is nothing but it is same as starting tag except it has a backslash in the beginning of the keyword. Tags are of two types, container tag and empty tag. A tag which has both start tag and end tag is called container tag. Empty tag that have only start tag are called empty tag. This tag represents the formatting options such as line break, horizontal ruler, paragraph setting. Next we learnt about attributes. Attributes are additional information given to a tag. They modify a function of tag. Attributes are associated with only with start tag and not with end tag. The attributes are simply written with the tags along with its value. Attributes define additional characteristics or properties of the element such as width and height of an image. Attribute values should always enclosed in a quotation marks. It is used to define the characteristics of an HTML element and it is placed inside the element's opening tag. It is made up of two parts, a name and a value. Next we learnt about structure of HTML document. HTML document has two sections. Head section. The head section of an HTML document contains several tags that specify important information about the web page such as title, keywords and description. Next is body section. It is the main section of a web page. HTML body section supported all the contents such as text, hyperlinks, images, special characteristics, lists, tables, frames and forms. This is about structure of HTML document. HTML tags. The first and last tag of a HTML document is starting tag and ending tag. This tag tells the browser the beginning and ending of an HTML document. A HTML document without these tags result in a blank screen on the browser. Without a HTML tag, it cannot be displayed on the browser. Blank screen will be represented. A HTML tag contains three sections: head section, body section and nesting of tags. What is head section? The head section contains header information and document title. Body section comes after the head section. It consists of tags designing a web page which includes text, objects, images and sound. The body section is enclosed within body tags. Nesting tag. Enclosing a tag with another tag is called nesting of tag. Nesting of tag is very common in HTML and hence care should be taken to avoid overlapping of tags. Now we summarize today's topic. Next is your favorite homework. Learn and write the steps for creating web pages and explain about HTML tags. I will repeat the question, students. Write the steps for creating web pages. Explain about HTML tags. Learn and write in your rough notebook and submit in GCR. Thank you, students. See you in next class.